Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, are you sharing the screen?
I have not sent sending still now. Just wait for 1 minute more. All of you on the camera now, children. I can't see anybody. Only Medha is on the camera.
So 1 minute. I will.
So 1 minute.
So I told you to start with statistics today, right? I cannot see Monish, Tanishka, Ivan, Karthik, Sana. Sana, your camera is working today, Sana? Can you hear me, Sana? I have already warned you that your camera is not working. I'll remove from the meeting. So I'm just going to share the screen now. Share the screen. 1 minute here. Yes. So here is screen I will share right now with you. So first is your mean of group data. Okay. Mean of group data. What do you mean by mean, you know? Anyone tell me what is mean?
So taking average of it.
Yes, taking average. Monis, you have on the camera now. You're off, right? Immediately.
Sir, I'm just turning it on 1 second. Sir.
So if there are 5 children over here of different weight, one is having 42, one is your 38, one is 60, one is 55, and one is your 20. Sorry, not 23. How 23 will be there? This is 43, 53. Okay. So if I ask you how many, what is the mean weight of the children? Mean weight. How do you write mean weight? Sum of all the observation right here. Sum of all the observation
Yes, sir.
divided by what?
By 2, sir.
By 5.
Sum of all observation divided by 2.
No, sir.
No, sir, by 5.
No, sir. No, sir. All the observations.
Total observation, right?
Yes.
So 42, what is the here? What is the mean for this? Plus 55 plus 53 divided by 5. What is the answer for this? Tell me.
Sir, 49.6.
49.6. Children, check whether you're getting same answer or different answer.
Sir, same answer. Same answer, sir.
Same answer. Now see, if you are writing a question as see here weight in kg, I'm writing here weight in kg, and here I'll write number of children. Number of children I'll write here. Same thing I'm writing here 42, 40, 50. Someone is 66 kg. So many weights are there and number of children are varying over here. Suppose 42 are of, there are 5 children like this. Here there are 4 children. Here there are 6 children. Here there are 5 children like this. Then what is the mean weight? Then what is the mean weight of the here? What is the mean weight in this case? Mean weight. How do you find over here? What is the mean weight here? So actually in our this one statistics, we call this is as X. These are the weight of the children, right? And this is a frequency. Like if you tell frequency of buses in this route are 5, in this route the frequency of the buses is 6. It means that the number of buses passing through that route is that much, right? So this is nothing but frequency. What do we call frequency? This is your number of means what is weight that is given here X. Okay, so simply you're writing over here. So anyone know how to find the mean weight over here? Yuvan, Karthik, you know?
No, sir. Sir, I'm guessing like 42 into 5 divided by 5 for the first one.
Yeah, we should not find separately. I'm asking overall that you did correctly for the first one. But
Sir,
so here if you first one you find, you get only 42 now, right?
yes, sir.
So we have to not find only particularly, we have to find for all these 4 line items. So one small formula I'll tell you right now, okay? This is X if you write here, multiply X and F in this whole part, okay?
Sir, summation Fy xi divided by summation Fy maybe.
Summation, what you're saying, Dhananjay?
Summation F divide.
Summation F divided by
The summation Fx divided by summation F.
That's why I'm trying to say that one. That will just come down right now. Yeah, your formula is correct only. So why we are writing fx? We're just multiplying this 45 and 42 into 5. If you multiply, what do you get, children? 210, right? Then here 40 into 4, 160. 50 into 6, 300. 66 into 5, 6 5 are 330 will get, right? Now add all the fx over here. Add all the fx, what you'll get? 0 0 0 0 only. 6 1 7 7 3 10. Carry 1. So 2 1 3 3 1 4 4 3
1000,
6
sir.
3 10. 1000 you are getting, right?
Yes.
So this is fx. So what is 1000? 1000 is fx? No. This is a new term I'm just telling you right now. Summation fx. You may not be knowing what is summation. Summation means sum of all the fx. What do you mean by summation? Suppose if you write summation here, fx, okay. So here what you should do? Here there are 5 terms. You can write here, you can write either f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus f3 x3 plus f4 x4, right? Plus f5 x5. Why we are doing like this? Because this is I'm just finding for each and every line item. f5 x5. Actually, this is not required. Simply I'm telling what is summation fx. This meaning of this is nothing but if you add this complete part, you will get summation fx. Okay. If you are adding f1 x1, that is 210. If you are adding f2 x2, that is this one, this one, this one. Sum of all this is nothing but what? Summation fx. Is it clear, children? What is summation fx?
Yes, sir.
Summation fx
Yes,
is
sir.
that is the sum of all the observation this year. Product of frequency and x and add all, that is summation fx. Now you see.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, before this, the summation effects, sir, did you do something else also? Or this is the first topic, I mean, first subtopic you have started?
Almost first topic only. First, simply taken the example for 5 children before that.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
this 5 children we
This
have
is
took
the mean.
example. So mean weight we found, simply add of all the weight, divide by 5. This is the second just we are doing right now. If
Okay,
different numbers are there, same weight of different children are there, then how to find? So if you're finding your mean weight, the formula is mean weight is equals to summation fx divided by summation f. Now new term came, summation f. Sum of all the frequency here. So what is, if you add, what you'll get? 20, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your
20.
answer is
The
1000,
answer is 50.
15 or 50.
Yes, sir. 50.
So this is the final answer. Yeah, correct. This is the final answer. All right. So this is the just basic method to find the mean. Okay, direct method. Which method is this? Direct method. All right.
Yes, sir.
This method is direct method. We call it as direct method. So I'll write here one mean of the given data. Okay. So I'll just copy and paste over here. See, this is the first formula what you have. See. Mean x bar of the data is given by x bar. X bar is what? Mean is equals to f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus f3 x3 divided by what? f1 plus f2 plus f3 till fn. How many observation you know? You can write like this. Clear, children?
Yes, sir.
So this is the first formula what you have with you. Okay. So make a note of this. This is a direct method. What if this is a main formula, direct formula. This is a direct method to find the mean. So one formula you understood right now. Okay. And same can be written as, if you want to write in short form, how do you write? I'm just writing over here. If
So
you
what
are
is the full form of F?
F is frequency.
Okay. Okay, sir.
See, the same thing if you write in short form over here. So this is a short form. Complete whole numerator can be written as this form. See, this complete numerator can be written in this form. If you want to write summation. Complete denominator, this F1, F2 and all, you can write in which form? This form. Okay. So this is a short form of writing. Short form of writing, how to write this. Clear to everyone, children? So
Yes.
next. One question, I'll give it to you, all of you. Okay, I'll just give the question. Example number 1 based on this. So question is very, very big. So question number 1 is over here. The marks obtained by 30 students of class 10th is given over here. So you have to find here mean marks obtained by the students. So see, xi and fi is given. Xi is also given and fi is also given. Make 2 columns. In first column, you make it as xi. Second column, you make it as fi. Then you just do by normal method and solve. Anyone having doubt in this? How to
Sir,
solve?
can you show the formula once again?
Yes, I'll just check this. I'll just make it
Yes, sir.
smaller. If you want more smaller, can you see now? You can see now? Able to read? Or smaller? Very small.
We can
Sir,
read.
it's we can read, sir.
Okay, fine. Just from starting only you can check if you are not getting. So see the first what I solved here. Based on that, you can solve this down part example. Okay. Based on this, if you're having any doubt, children, what I solved here, first you ask. If it is clear, then we move ahead with the example sums. Then you move and just solve it and tell me the answer for this. Okay. This will take a long time. Okay. Long time this will take. Multiplication is there. So much multiplication and addition are there in this. So I'll remove this part, this one, example 1. This upper part I'll just remove right now. Okay. Now we can solve this.
Yes, sir, yes.
Yeah. Someone got the answer. I think Sana got the answer. Answer check. Sana, somewhere this one you have done mistake. Sana. Nitish, you have read this chapter only, right?
Sir,
You have read this chapter?
they have started it from our school, sir, but those classes I didn't attend actually.
Oh, Vihan, you also joined today. I didn't see you. When you joined?
Sir, like when you're teaching this thing, the previous question, that time I joined.
Okay, okay. You understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm pasting direct answer. I just here, this is NCERT sum simply, okay? Don't waste your much time here. So I'll just copy the same answer what is given in NCERT and just paste over here, okay? Just match whether it's coming same or not. At home you can solve, okay? We won't waste much time on this question. Understand the concept. So this answer is clear, children? Check it.
Yes, sir, I got it. Sir.
So like this only you have to solve. So so summation fi is 1779. If you have solved, just check.
Yes, sir, we
1779.
get 59.3, sir. Divide on division.
You divided already by calculator or by
Yes, sir.
on notebook?
Sir, fastly, sir. With 3, I divided first.
Okay, okay, fine. So you'll get answer as 59.3. Okay. So X bar is 59.3. So here, what is happening here? 1 minute. It's not moving here and there. I'm taking it up. Why it's not going it? Here, oh, go man. Okay, once again, I just do this. One no. Yeah. So mean of this is 59.3. So we got it as what? 59.3. All of you understood? If you're not done, you just do at home once again. Okay. So this is the first formula we understood, right? Next question is, different type question. Some interval form is given, suppose. Okay. This was ungroup data, what we are doing. Now this is group data. One they have grouped. Now mean for group data. I'll just write here. Mean for grouped data. Grouped data. Okay. Group meaning you understand over here. If I write this question here, see. Group means the class interval is given over here. They have grouped over here. That is 10 to 25. So class interval 10 to 25. Children are how much? 2. From 25 to 40, it's 3. 40 to 55, it's 7. 55 to 70, it's 6. 70 to 85, 6. Like that is given over here. Okay. So how to find mean over here? Because this is class interval, right? And this is your frequency is fine. So how to find X? That is our target, right? X is not given over here. Okay. So first you write this into which form?
Group data or ungrouped data, sir?
This is group data, right? Because we have grouped here, no? 10 to 25, we have grouped, right?
Yes.
So class interval you write here, class interval then you write frequency, and x you have to find by ourselves. So here class interval is 10 to 25. Then second one is 25 to 40, right? And then we have 40 to 55. 55 to 70. 70 to 85. And 85 to 100. So frequency is given to us, that is here 2, 3, 7, 666, 666. Okay. Now how to find x? If you know x, then only you can solve this, right? Fx we can solve after this, right? So x is the midpoint of this one. Class mark, what do you call class mark, right? So this is the midpoint of this two. 10 plus 25 divided by 2. That is class mark. What do we call class mark? So 10 plus 25 divided by 2, what will you get? 10 plus 25 divided by 2. What you will get?
17.5.
17 point.
17.
So here what you should write? 17.5. Again here if you see what you'll get? 25 and 40. What is the midpoint of 25 and 40? So 40 and 25, 65. 65 by 2. What do we get? 32.5.
82.5.
So are you going to do this every time? Adding and dividing by 2? Children? Are you going to do this one every time? It will taking long time, right?
Sir, if it will be big numbers, then it will be hard to do then.
Easy. The small numbers also you have hard only, no? Every time you should add, divide by 2 you should do, right? The small thing you try to understand over here, the statistics will take long time in exam. These questions are easy, but if you're going to calculate, it take long time. So once you see here, almost 90% of the question will have same interval. See, 15, 15 is the height. Can you see? Difference between these two numbers are what? 15, right? Can you see 15?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you know this difference is 15, what is half of 15? What is half of 15?
7.5.
7.5. So what you do, this 7.5, you are going to add in all this lower limit. You know what is lower limit, upper limit?
Yes, sir.
So 10 to 25, you see, the 10 to 25, we call this is lower limit. And this one is upper limit. So what we do, we got the difference as 15. So 15 by 2, we got it as 7.5. You add 7.5 to this lower limit, okay? You'll get direct answers. Everywhere do the same thing. So see, 10 plus 7.5, 17.5. 25 plus 7.5, 32.5, okay? 40 plus 7.5, 47.5. 55 plus 7.5, 62.5. It's clear now. It's easy now to add. Yes.
For the
Sir, what if the
so
What
we
if
should
the-
add to the
sir, what if the difference is not 7.5?
Difference can be if see
Like almost like everywhere.
if
we,
everywhere
different-
difference is same, then only you can use, otherwise you can't. Okay. And generally this will be same only. This both are what? Say everywhere difference are what? Same every time. Okay. 99% of the question, the difference between the class interval is what? The same only. Okay. Between upper limit and lower limit. All right.
so the 7.5 we should add to the upper limit or the lower limit, sir?
Lower limit, no? Middles will come.
Okay, sir.
See, x we are finding the midpoint of 10 and 25. So you should add to lower limit, obviously. We can't add in 25. You'll go beyond that.
Okay,
So
sir.
we are adding here in lower limit. 10 plus 7.5 that we got. Now here what we get? 77.5 and 92.5. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now we can just multiply. F and x you multiply. 17 twos are 34. The 35. Just keep on just multiplying, then you'll get lastly fx you get. And then your formula is what? Summation x bar is equals to summation fx by summation f. The summation f already we know. What is that? 10 and 20, 30. Mainly you should find fx. So what is fx over here? So again, what I do now, I just same copy and just paste over here. What we just do here, I'll just copy and paste. The children, I believe on you that you have to solve by yourself. If you won't solve, your practice will not be there in exam, okay? So whenever you're not solving this, just do by yourself at home, okay? See, this is the final thing answer. Hope now you understood this. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is not nothing but class mark. We call it as what? Class mark. What is class mark? Sum of, see, I'm writing here, class mark is nothing but lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Or you know the shortcut method, right? Shortcut method also you know. Difference of class interval. Difference of class interval divided by 2. This one should be what? Added to, should be added to where? Lower.
Lower limit.
So this is, you can understand. Class mark, and this is a shortcut. What you understand? Difference of class interval divided by 2 should be added to the lower limit. I think it's clear to everyone, both things, if it is given grouped or ungrouped. It's clear now? Okay. Now we move to the next question over here. So this part is nothing but what? Which method is this? Direct method. We call it as direct method. Now we are going to learn assumed mean method. Assumed mean or shortcut. What is there in your this one CBSE? We have it as, if I take CBSE and this one, no, I get confused. So in ICC board, we call this a method as shortcut method. In CBSE, we call it as assumed mean method. Okay. So assumed mean method, first we write the formula. Okay. I'll write the formula here. Assumed mean method. Write the formula first. Formula is here, assumed mean method. Second method. This is which method we call it as direct method. Okay. Direct. There are 3 methods to solve the mean. Okay. The first method we have learned right now. That is summation fi xi divided by summation fi. So next we have to learn assumed mean method. Okay. Assumed mean method. Okay. Assumed mean method. So formula here is, this is the formula what we have. Now you are wondering that what is D? Extra thing is what? D over here, right? One new thing you learned right now. What is the new here? What is D, right? That if you do, then we'll understand the D part. Okay. So what is D? That we understand if we solve this one. Okay, 1 minute. I will solve one question based on this, so you understand. The same question we do. Okay. The same question, children, you try to understand over here. I'll just put over here direct answer. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. So previous question, what was there? No, that we done by direct method. Now we are just solving by which method? Assumed mean method. So what is D and all we get to understand over here. See. The same question I've written, same thing is there. See 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55, this. It's clear to everyone? The same question was that. What is a change? Change is D, new thing came. This and this both are what? Exactly same, right? So first three line items, if you see, exactly same. So this one only you have to learn, this one, this part. D part you have to learn, right? You have to learn D part. So what is D?
Yes,
That's
sir.
your main thing over here. See, now 1 minute. See, class mark, you know, here. So this is nothing but A. What we call it as A. In assumed mean method, what we do, we are assuming anyone as assumed mean. In class mark, you see this much. So in this whole part, you can assume assumed mean anything, whichever you want, you can do. But generally, what we do, children, we are just finding the middle somewhere so that the calculation will be easier. So here top this 2, down top 2, and anyone you can take. So in this textbook, they have taken this as what? A. Okay. It doesn't compulsory you have to take A only middle part. You can take any one of them. You can take 17.5 also A. You can assume anything. Clear to you, everyone? So if you're assuming this is your mean, assumed mean. So what is the formula for D? D formula is xi minus A. What is the formula? Xi minus A. So xi is nothing but 17.5 minus 47.5. I'll write over here, okay? 17.5 minus what? 47.5.
47.5.
So we'll get minus 30. Similarly, you can do
So we can take A value as anything from class mark.
anything you can take. It's not compulsory, you should
Okay,
take this only, okay? But for the easy understanding or easy getting the answers, you can take mid value anything that in exam and all, okay? But this is not compulsory, you have to take middle only. You can try at home, answer will come same, okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Vihan.
Sir, in exam, if they don't tell us, like they don't specify which method to use, we can use this method.
Any method you can solve in exam if they have not mentioned, but you may feel that this method is tougher, okay? But exam time, you know, this method only become easier. Why? You know, calculation will be lesser. If direct method will come, no, calculation is long and somewhere you may do mistake. Chances of mistake will be very much in this. See how much calculation was there. Can you see? 77 into 6. There's so many calculation were there. Can you see that? It looks very easy, but you know, you have to do a lot of calculation. This method is like, looks like very big, but if you do calculate, no, it become easier. So try to learn everything. Some children will be there in every class. When I teach this, no, mean, they think that why we are learning this assumed mean or something like that.
Okay, can you explain that that A1? I didn't understand.
A part is assumed mean. From class mark, you can assume anything as mean. Okay. So in this part, it mentioned as 47.5. So this is assuming. Okay, Nihal.
So we can
But
take 17.5 also.
anything you consider. Okay, try at home. If you're not getting, ask me. All right. Anything you can do. We can assume anything from class mark as A. All right.
Okay.
Yes.
So now calculative part come to calculation. 17.5 minus what? 47.5. You will get minus 30. Now you understood how we are finding D. Complete part is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is D. Now formula is what? See the formula. A plus summation Fi di by summation Fi. So summation Fi di. So obviously F is given to us. So we should multiply with the di. See this 2 you have to multiply. Correct or not? If you know formula, go as per formula. See, formula is mentioned that A plus summation fi di divided by summation ai. So here we don't know a. So we found a already. We don't know d. We found d. Then everything becomes easy.
Sir, if we take the xi 17.5 and a also 17.5, then d will be 0, no, sir.
Yeah, first
Then
point will
answer
be
will
zero.
be
Yes,
different.
first point will be 0. Yes. If you take this is a, so this will be 0. Correct. Again, if you solve down, no. You have to solve completely. Understood?
Yes, sir. Then this answer will be different. Same, sir.
No difference will come. Difference will not come. Check. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry. Spend some time at home. Assume this is a. No problem. Then formula is xi minus this. This first part will be 0. All will get positive here. All answer will positive. There is no negative term. And why we are considering this middle part? Because numerator will some upper part will be some negative. Down part will be positive. Something it will become what? Easy concept will come. Understood? Some easy numbers will come here. Vihan, it's clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Monish, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Anyone who is having doubt in this method? Anyone who is having doubt?
Sir, if we change the method, answer won't change, no, sir?
No, answer should never change. Answer will never change actually.
Sir,
No.
and for bigger numbers, maybe this will be more useful, no, sir?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So see, if you are putting the values in the formula, what do we get? See here. 47.5 plus 435 by 30 will get 62. Previous answer was what? 62. See, answer is not changing. Can you see this? Same question we did by 2 methods. So what we have done? Formula is a plus summation fi di divided by summation fi. So AV is 47.5 plus 435 by 30 is equals to 47.5 plus 435 by 30. So we go to the next this one method. 2 methods we understood. Assumed mean method and direct method. Next method now we understand. First I'll write the formula, then I'll do. Okay. This looks much bigger than the assumed mean also. So now I'll write here method is step deviation method. Okay. Method is step deviation method. Okay. Third method is step deviation method. See, this is the formula now. What you have here, two new things are coming over here. See, A is same, exactly same. A is not a problem. This is not a problem. This is not a problem. Now, new things, what we got here, red is here, H and UI, correct? These two things are new, what we got in this formula. So first of all, we understand what is H and what is UI, okay? If you understand these two things, then this step is also clear. This also is clear to you people, right? So I'll write here what is H. H is nothing but we call it as class size. What do we call? Class size, okay. And this is nothing but difference between lower limit and upper limit. Difference between lower limit and upper limit. H is nothing but class size. And this is nothing but difference between lower limit and upper limit. Example I'm telling, if it is 10 to 25, okay. So H is equals to what you should write? 25 minus 10. That is 15, okay. So this is H. I think H is clear now, right? Now we are coming to UI. What is UI? So DI we learned right before only. What is DI? So DI we have learned it as what? Xi minus A, correct children?
Yes, sir.
And divide by
Yes,
H
sir.
you do. Divide by H you will do, you'll get UI. That's all. What is DI? UI is nothing but DI divided by H. And DI we have learnt already in previous assumed method, Xi minus A divided by H. So I'll write once again here. So two things we learned. This is the first part we learned right now. What is the class size? And second thing, what we have learned? UI. First, you tell me any doubt in this two concept. Then we move ahead to the question and we solve.
Sir, I didn't understand the UI.
UI part. DI you understood, Ivan?
Yes, sir.
So DI if you get, no, if you divide by the class size, suppose you got DI as 20. Okay, DI as 20. If you divide by the class size, suppose class size is 5. That is UI. Understood? Only you should divide by class size.
Yes, sir.
If you divide by class size, then that will be UI only. All right. That's it.
Yes.
So there is no much difference between UI and DI. Small difference is if you divide DI with H, you will get UI. Clear to everyone?
If we want to mention HI in the question, then we should find out all the difference and we should add it, sir.
Tell once again. I didn't understand you.
But in the question, if they gave the class intervals in the previous question, we should find the all difference and we should add it, sir.
No. Class difference will be same everywhere, Nihal. If you see in the question, no, see. Class difference is everywhere 15. Check. There's no difference of in this one. See. 25, 10, 40, 25. Every time is almost same only. Okay.
Yes.
So you should not add or something. Once you find class size means only once you found over. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Now we move to the question. So question solving part I'll just show you. Is very, very easy concept, children. And this all the three methods, no. Today all of you sit and practice once again without seeing this, okay? Only formula you write on a single page and solve. See now.
Okay, sir.
See here first we found H. Over here we found what? H. So H, you know all of you, that is 15 only, right? So DI we got in the previous sum only, correct? Once I'll close and again I'll open. So yes, any doubt you have? Medha, I think you're having mic problem. I can't hear you properly. Write in chat box, Medha. It's full breaking. I can't just listen a single line, you know. So children, see here, all of you. Class interval is given. This is also same. This is also same. This is also same. All these 4 lines, you know, before only. Now your new topic is what? UI. What I told you about UI? UI is DI divided by H. What is H? 15. So what we have done here? Minus 30 by 15. What we got? Minus 2. See, minus 15 by 15. Answer is what? Minus 1. Like this only we have to keep on doing. Clear?
Yes, sir.
That's all.
Yes, sir.
So if you know UI, then you multiply UI, FI UI, then you'll get this option. Then you have the formula, put in the formula, get the answer. That as simple as that. So I'll put in the formula and we got the answer. Okay, 1 minute. I'll simply write that answers over here. So answer is this one. Say this, children. This is the formula here. And here we solve and get answer as what? 62 only. So all the three methods you understood clearly? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I had one small doubt, sir.
Ask.
How did you get 15?
How do we get? Which one?
15. So 15.
15. This H part you are saying, denominator part, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I told class size, no? Here we had in the previous C here. What I told about class size, see here, H. Class size is nothing but difference between lower limit and upper limit, right? So find here, lower limit and upper limit, what is the difference here?
15.
10, 25. Difference is how much? 15. That's why you got 15 here.
Okay, sir.
So I'm sending right now only PDF, otherwise I'll forget. Okay. You revise all the three, this one methods and try to solve by yourself. Try to do more means question so that you have practice. So this is one of the easiest chapter. Okay.
Send the worksheets in the WhatsApp.
Worksheet on the WhatsApp.
Yes, sir. In the
Yes, sir.
assignment.
Can you do that?
Shall I send worksheet you are saying?
Yes, sir. In the WhatsApp in the assignments.
Okay, fine. I'll send you.
Sir, like the homework sheets you give also, can you send it in WhatsApp?
Okay, fine. I'll send that one. Yeah. So right now I'm sending on WhatsApp. Then I'll just attach in WhatsApp also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is your concept of mean. Concept of mean. Three methods. Three.
For median and mode also, there are three, sir.
No. You are not having three methods everywhere. Only in mean you have three methods. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here. Okay, I have not opened WhatsApp only. Okay, children, all of you leave now. I'm just sending in WhatsApp only. Okay. WhatsApp.
Okay,
Sir,
Can you hear me?
Okay.
yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, sir.
Can you hear me, sir?
Who is speaking? Sana, who is there?
No, sir. Medha.
Medha, yeah, tell me, Medha.
I'm having doubts, sir. These questions have been asked for the group data, sir.
Yeah, group data means that interval will be given to you. Interval, like 10 to 20.
Yes, sir. These means questions only for the group data, not on the data.
Yeah, on group data is very easy, no? That simply you multiply and get the answer.
Yeah, okay.
So I'll just share here 1 minute. I've never shared, no one. I'll share the complete screen to you people. 1 minute. Complete screen I'm sharing and I've just opened. See, this is your data, right? Create and invent. Shall I make where? Source shall I make or what I should? Assessment shall I mention here? I should go for which one? Poll is, see, session is not required. Resource is not required. Test is not required. Discussion is not required. You should go for assessment, right? I should
Yes.
go assessment I should give, right? So, oh, this is on marks and all is there.
Click on resource.
Resource, okay. So here file shall I make here links upload file. Okay, upload file maximum 2 GB. So desktop, I have written here, what is the name? Concept of mean, right? It's not downloaded here, no? I just clicked over there, but it's not coming. So this method, okay. This one I did. Why it's not coming here? Add files, upload files is not coming here.
So just try to drag and drop.
Are you clicking that only? See, clicking and doing. How you can drag? See, drag you will do. So if you click, no, this is enough, right? If you click, that is enough. Open. Right, then this. Drag and drop, here you can do. Or if you want to do like this, from here I'll come. Concept of 3 mean, I'm just dragging like this. Let's see whether it's coming or not. See, here you are saying, right? It's not uploading here like this.
Yeah.
See, it's coming like this. Where it went actually, where it came. It opened here only. It's not open in Wise app. It will open here. WhatsApp people are not using WhatsApp right now. Folder, if I make here, folder, enter folder name here, I'll just make here statistics. Okay, statistics. Save. So in this, if I want to do something, add resource, that will be better, no? But here again, this file is not coming, right? This file is again not coming. Yeah, done. Now it's clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Fine. Now we can just check a statistics part and get that one. Concept of mean. It's now you can check it out, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, that's extra things what we can get here. All the 3 methods. I'll send on WhatsApp this one also. This one also has sent here CT 10th A, right? So concept of 3 mean. In WhatsApp also I sent. Okay. So anyone having doubt anywhere?
No, sir.
No
Can you
doubt,
tell me,
sir.
if I ask the formula, can you tell me? If I ask the formula,
Yes, sir.
Nihal, tell me the formula. Shortcut, so this one, assumed mean method. Nihal, tell the formula is assumed mean method. What is the formula? A plus summation fi di. What is the formula for mean by assumed mean method?
Sir, A plus Fi into Di by Fi.
You see in the notebook?
No,
Happy?
sir. No, sir.
Wow, super. Yuan, you tell me step deviation method.
Sir, A plus H summation FIUI by summation F.
A plus H into FIUI divided by FI, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Monish, you tell direct method.
Sir, Fi xi by Fi.
By xi by fi. Tanishka, step deviation method.
Sir, A plus H into summation FIUI by summation FI.
Okay. Vihan, you tell me assume mean method.
Sir, A plus summation Fi divided by summation F. Fi.
A plus summation.
Fi divided by I will
If
say
you're not
summation.
multiplying with anything. A plus summation if I di, no.
Di.
A plus summation if I di divided by summation if I. So practice at least two questions and just do. Okay, that's for today. You can leave for the day. Thank you all.
Okay,
Thank
so
you, sir.
thank you.
Sir.
Okay.